Hello and welcome back to Explain the Charts. Today, March 28th, 2025, we're dissecting Ethereum, ticker symbol ETHUSD, by looking at the news and chart data and how they might relate to each other. First, let's cover some recent news. According to Cointelegraph, the broader cryptocurrency market is experiencing a downturn due to escalating trade war concerns and massive long liquidations. However, Ethereum's fundamentals are viewed as strengthening due to the upcoming Pectra upgrade, a rising total value locked (TVL), and a declining supply of ETH on exchanges. ETHUSD today also reports that the NYSE has submitted a proposal to enable staking of the Bitwise Ethereum ETF. Also, Ethereum whales have accumulated $236 million ETH in 72 hours. On the other hand, Morningstar notes that Ethereum has declined for 4 of the last 5 days, making it the worst 3-day stretch since March 12, 2025. Now, let's jump into the charts and see how these events correlate. Looking at the daily chart, we see a broad overview of ETHUSD's price action over the last several months. We'll start by examining recent price movements. We can see some volatility towards the end of 2024, with a significant drop in December followed by a strong recovery. In January 2025, we see a peak around $2,600, followed by a downward trend lasting until around July 2025, where it bottomed out around $2,000. Then we see an even larger drop on August 5, 2024, followed by an attempt to recover. That could possibly be related to the concerns around the trade wars. Then we see a pump towards May 2024 towards $3,700 before again correcting back down. Most recently, it looks like the price is attempting to bounce off the $2,000 level again in late March, but the most recent daily candle is showing weakness with a close near its low. Zooming in on the last few weeks in March 2025 to get a sense of recent price action, we can see it has been relatively flat. Let's switch to the 1-hour chart to get a shorter-term view. Looking at the 1-hour chart, we can see more granular price fluctuations within the last few days. There appears to be some support around the $2,000 level, as indicated by multiple bounces. However, the recent price action is showing some downward pressure, with the price failing to sustain upward momentum. If ETHUSD breaks below $2,000, it could signal further downside in the short term. Now let's zoom in on the 15-minute chart. Looking at a smaller time frame of 15 minutes, we can see a bit more detail and noise. The short-term trend appears to be slightly bearish, with the price making lower highs and lower lows. However, we should note the open is near the high of today's candle and currently testing a higher level than it has for 4 days, which would be a good short-term indicator if it can close up here and hold it. In summary, key levels to watch are the $2,100 resistance and the $2,000 support. A break above $2,100 could signal a bullish continuation towards $2,200, while a break below $2,000 could lead to further downside towards $1,900 or even lower. Based on recent news and chart data, the likelihood of a vertical swing up before the end of the first quarter of 2025 seems unlikely. However, if positive news emerges regarding the Pectra upgrade or ETF inflows, we could see a bullish reversal. Keep an eye on volume and open interest to gauge market sentiment and confirm any potential breakouts or breakdowns. Ultimately, prudent risk management and diversification are essential in navigating the volatility of the cryptocurrency market.